How much does it cost to build an AI app? Many student founders and developer want to build an AI app. But the first question is always the same. How much will it cost? The truth is that the cost depend on how many factors like the type of AI, okay, complexity, team size, and features. Some AI app can be built for a few $100, while advanced ones can cost thousand or even millions. Okay, so I'm going to break down it properly in simple way. So first thing is, if you are going to build simple AI app, okay, or you are a beginner or you want to build beginner level AI app, so a simple AI app usually use existing AI APIs instead of building a AI from scratch. Okay, for example, building a chatbot, building text generation tool, building a image generation tool, building a AI summarization tool, building a writing assistant. Okay, so it will cost in between $100 to 5,000. Okay, so why it is cheaper? You are using existing AI models. Okay, you only build the interface and features. Okay, and development time is also shorter. Okay, for example step, you just need Python, JavaScript, AI app like OpenAI, Gemini, Grok, any of one, and you need to know basic front end. Okay, so this is the common type of AI app today. Okay, and if you are going to build medium or complex AI app, so these app include custom features, database, and integrations. For example, AI customer support chatbot, AI recommendation system, AI document analyzer, and AI automation tools. So it will cost in between $5,000 to $5,100. Okay, so cost include backend development, AI app uses, and cloud hosting, UI UX design also, and including testing. Okay, so development may take 2 to 6 months depending on the team side. Okay, third is, if you are going to build advanced AI app, custom AI models. Okay, so some company build their own AI models instead of using APIs. For example, AI medical diagnosis system, advanced voice assistant, self-driving system, large AI platform. So it will be cost in between $50,000 to $5 lakh, more than $5 lakh. Okay, so why it is expensive? Because they need to collect the data. Okay, in data collection, in model training. Okay, GPU infrastructure, AI engineer also need to pay the salary to the engineers. Okay, and long development time. Okay, so big company may spend million on these kind of project. Okay, and fourth is main cost in AI app. Okay, so if you are like in development, paying developer or engineers to build the app. Okay, and AI models and apps using AI service that charge per request. Okay, and cloud infrastructure, server and storage for running the app. Okay, and data, many AI system require database for training or improving the performance. Okay, and maintenance also, AI app need update, monitoring, and improvement over the time. And fifth one is example, this is the example, if you are going to build simple AI startup. Okay, so cost of simple AI startup app. Okay, so let's say someone build an AI content tool, so it approximately it will cost developer work in between 2,000 to $10,000. API usage, that will be $50 to $500 per month. Cloud hosting price, that is in between $20 to $200 per month. Okay, and in UI design, it will take $500 to $3,000. So total starting cost for simple app, that is $3,000 to $1,500. Okay, and sixth option is how to build a AI app cheaply. Many startup companies reduce the cost by using existing AI model, building an MVP, minimum viable product, using no code, low code tools, starting with one main feature. This allows them to test the idea before investing the more money. Okay, so building an AI app does not always require huge money. A simple AI app can start with a few hundred or few $1,000. So the real challenge is not just a cost; it is a building something useful that people actually want to use. If the idea solve a real problem, even a small AI app can grow into a successful product. Okay, so if you want more video on this, I will give you more video on on these topics. Okay, do comments and follow or subscribe for more. Bye bye, take care.